Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest gadgets and electronics. Today, we have an exciting product to review: the Skullcandy Terrain Mini wireless Bluetooth speaker in navy. Let's start with the basics. The Skullcandy Terrain Mini is a compact Bluetooth speaker designed for outdoor adventures. It comes in a sleek navy color and is packed with features that make it a great companion for any occasion. This speaker is waterproof, making it perfect for poolside parties or beach trips. It can handle full immersion down to 3 feet for up to 30 minutes. Equipped with dual custom passive radiators, it delivers impressive bass, ensuring a top-notch wireless speaker experience. The Terrain Mini comes with a convenient nylon wrist wrap for easy carrying. Its waterproof woven fabric mesh allows audio waves to pass through effectively. Enjoy up to 14 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge. The package also includes a 3 feet C to a charging cable for on-the-go charging. With the press of a button, you can link up to 99 Skullcandy speakers, making it perfect for any size room or gathering. Its waterproof design ensures it can handle any outdoor setting without worrying about damage. The dual radiators provide powerful bass that sets it apart from other compact speakers. The included wrist wrap and long battery life make it a truly portable option. Its ability to connect with other Skullcandy speakers for a surround sound experience is a standout feature. The product boasts a 4.3-star rating on Amazon with positive feedback on its design, sound quality, and portability. Some users reported issues with disconnection, but these seem to be isolated cases. In summary, the Skullcandy Terrain Mini wireless Bluetooth speaker is a fantastic choice for those seeking a portable, waterproof speaker with impressive sound quality. Whether you're at the beach, by the pool, or having a picnic, this speaker is designed to enhance your outdoor experiences. That's it for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product analysis. If you have any questions or want us to review a specific product, leave a comment below. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech insights on Product Critique.